In this video, we will explore the top 4 ways to monetize your blog and turn your passion into a lucrative income stream. So let's get started. The first and the most popular way to monetize your blog is through display advertising. You can use Google AdSense to display ads on your blog, but if you find it difficult, then don't worry, there are other ads networks as well, such as Adstera, Forex Media, Infolinks, Rich Ads, and many more. You can use them to monetize your blog. The second way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful method where you earn a commission for promoting others' products or services on your blog. You can find a number of affiliate programs on Google which approve beginners and give affiliate links. So it is one of the easiest and best method to earn money for beginners. The third method to earn money is creating and selling your own digital products, such as your ebooks, online courses, articles, images, templates, and more. If you create anything, so you must take privilege of your blog and sell it online to earn money. The fourth way is freelancing and services. If you have specialized skills such as graphic designing, blog writing, web development, digital marketing, or any other skill, so you must offer them as services. You can create your blog to attract clients. You can use your blog as a portfolio so that clients could trust you and hire you for the services you provide. So, these are the 5 powerful ways to monetize your blog and earn money doing what you love. Remember, it's essential to experiment with different methods. Stay consistent and always provide value to your audience. So, this is all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.